So today we're going to make birch trees in the snow with this pretty shadow. And we're going to talk about a couple different things about positive and negative space and shading and shadows. So the way we're going to get started is you're going to take a blue piece of paper and you're going to use a white sheet of paper. And basically, you're just gonna put this white sheet of paper down at an angle about 2/3 of the way down the paper. So what I want you to do, instead of putting the glue on the white, you're gonna put the glue on the blue paper, okay? So let's just start. So you're gonna go at an angle, up, and then kind of fill it in a little bit. You don't have to go crazy with the glue, guys. And then you're gonna just take your white paper, line it up, and then press it down. Press, turn your paper over, and you're just gonna cut the white paper off, okay? So that's our white snow and our blue sky. And now we're gonna do our birch trees. I'm gonna have you draw them first. So we're gonna do about 5 to 7 birch trees, okay? So maybe start by figuring out where you're gonna have them come down to the bottom. And you want them to be, some of them you want them to be wider than others. And you want it to get a little bit skinnier as it goes up towards the top, okay? And they're not perfectly straight. So this one I'm gonna make skinnier. Just let them continue all the way up to the top of your page. You don't have to draw super dark. You're gonna end up filling these with oil pastel. So you're just giving yourself an idea of where you're gonna want your trees to be. So that if you don't like something, you can erase it if you have to. I don't think you're gonna have to erase anything, you guys. Just go with the flow. See, how many trees do we have right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's add one more, because in design, generally odd numbers work better than even numbers. That's not always the case, but most of the time. And then once you get your trees drawn, I just want you to use white oil pastel and fill them in with white. And you only have to fill the top half of your birch trees with your white oil pastel because it's not going to show on the white paper below anyway. Okay. And then I'm going to have you use a little bit of gray. I'm going to have you make a shadow kind of on one side of your tree a little bit. They're going to have black lines that come from the edges, and they come from both sides, not just one, kind of like around the tree. So make them a little bit curvy, and make sure you do it at the bottom as well as the top. And in nature, everything is pretty random, so try your best to like have it not be exactly a pattern. It's kind of hard as humans not to try to create a pattern. Okay, so there are your birch trees. Now you get to do the shadow of your birch tree, and I used a little bit different color than last time, but what you're going to do is you're going to take your oil pastel and you're going to come down from the edges like this and go around the base of your tree and then fill it in with that blue. And this is the shadow of the tree. I'm going to go ahead and do all the bases of my tree first. And kind of as they come across, the shadow's going to shift just a little. come out to the side a little bit more. And when you're doing this, it's creating great positive and negative space. And positive space is what you're drawing. So the trees and the shadows are your positive space. The space that surrounds what you're drawing, so the background, is what becomes the negative space. And when you have a drawing like this, where you have more like equal positive and negative space, they're kind of balanced, it creates a really dynamic or exciting looking piece of art, also called a composition. Okay, so there you have it, your birch trees in the snow. Have fun with this, you guys. This video was created by Sabrina Wingren at A Space to Create Art. Have fun creating.